If you've ever arrived on a website and been greeted by a large image or video with some titles on top, then you've encountered the hero header. It's a popular way to introduce a website and can be a great opportunity to help people quickly understand what it is your site does. For many visitors, it'll be their first impression of your brand, so you'll want to make the most of this moment to present something that properly shows how great it is. A hero header is the place to feature large, striking images or videos explaining your site. These look great, but there's an opportunity to take it further by bringing animation into the mix. We can use animation to add polish to that first moment when the content appears and draw the eye to what matters. We can even use this space to tell a story about what we do. When we embed video or use animated GIF files to show animations, this makes the site take longer to load and can slow things down. This is particularly noticeable on slower connections, which is a problem many of us developers tend to forget about if we're lucky enough to be building our sites while plugged into fast broadband. Studies have also shown that shaving seconds from the load time of sites has a great impact on the perceived quality of the site. If we make use of CSS, we can create impressive animations. Lastly, the animation and transition properties are built into our browsers. In a web that all too often suffers interruptions and dropped requests, keeping our external dependencies low can be a good idea. In this module, we're going to learn some techniques for using animations and keyframes to bring life to a static hero header. Along the way, we'll see how to create and tweak our own timing functions. We'll choreograph multiple animated items on screen, as well as learn how to combine multiple animations. We'll also take a look at creating reusable keyframes and see how we can make sure all our content has loaded before our animations begin. Let's get going.